channel. This is Happy Girl Believer. Today we're gonna unbox some baby items that I bought and baby stuffs that I got for free in Canada. I'm already in my third trimester of pregnancy and we're preparing for the birth of our baby girl. So, kabuanan ko na guys. Let's go! Dito pala sa Canada, kakatanggap kayo ng mga baby stuffs for free. Turuan ko rin kayo kung paano makareceive ng baby stuffs if you're in Canada. Pero our main agenda today is unboxing. Let's go. Let's unbox with me. Pasensya na kasi I don't have a good lighting and I'm just inside my room. Dito sa Canada, pwede kayong makakuha ng mga free baby stuffs. Kailangan nyo lang mag-register sa mga websites ng iba't ibang available brands dito sa Canada. Pero depende yung mga matatanggap nyong stuffs sa different brands na kukontakin nyo. So, I only contacted some brands kasi yung ibang brands katulad ng Bye Bye Baby, nagsarado na. So far, ito yung mga natanggap ko. So, let's go! Let's just unbox first yung mga nakuha kong for free. Ang una kong natanggap na free dito sa Canada is yung galing sa OB ko. Of course, sa OB ko dito. And of course, pag nagpa-check up kayo dito sa Canada, you will go to your family doctor first. And then, i-refer nila kayo sa OB. And then, magpapa-check up na kayo sa OB nyo. So, this is what I got from my OB-GYN. Merong free Pampers na diaper bag, I think. I also got like papers. Free prenatal classes. Also got this one. Wow, ang cute! Ooh, ngayon ko lang nakita to. Gift card, magazine. Hindi kasi ako nag-check, guys. OMG, I have gift cards. Kabili na ako ng mga damit, tapos ngayon ko lang nalaman may gift cards ako. Oh my God. So, yun na nga, guys. Shopping ng tayo ng shopping. Thank you, Lord. It's a different brands. See, glory to God. Diaper cream, some posable cloths, shoes for kids, and magazines. Okay, I think that's it. Second thing, nag-register ako sa Huggies. Thank you, Huggies. And then, yan guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Okay. Box. Diapers for newborn and baby wipes. Partner. Paper lang siya. Love note for little bundle. So, may coupon sa loob. So, pwede kong gamitin to. Thank you, Huggies. I feel like, yun, feeling ko sponsored. Thank you, Huggies, for sponsoring this. Wow, joke. Thank you, Huggies, for sponsoring my baby stuff. Alright. Thank you, Lord. Yan yung natanggap ko sa mail. Pinadala lang nila. Second that I got is from Pampers. Wow, Pampers. Ito, minail din nila. So, I also got wipes. Di talaga magpapapatalo ang ano. Dalawang competitor yan eh. So, ito. Diaper din. There's also coupons. I have coupons here that I can use buying diapers again for my baby. Third baby stuff that I got is from Halton. Naman, punong-puno ng mga baby dental stuffs. So, meron siyang Colgate na pang kiddies. May Colgate, may toothbrush. Pagka malaki na siya, lumalaki na siya. Yep. Have this. Dami. Lahat to. Nasa loob lang. Also, got this. Cute. So, talagang importante talaga yung pati yung teeth, no? Covered. Wow. Aray, thank you. I also got coupons from Similac. Thank you, Similac. I got this for free from Similac. Thank you, Similac. And this one. Thank you, Similac. Dito naman tayo kay Enfamil. Ayun nga, nail din sa akin to. Ayan. Coupons. Freebies. If gusto ko mag-bottles. Okay, thanks, Enfamil. Next thing that I got for free is this. This one is sponsored by my friend who gave me four of these. Wow. Thanks. So, meron na siyang newborn wash and shampoo, newborn face body lotion, tsaka wipes ulit. Baby washcloths naman siya. So, guys, tapos na tayo sa mga baby stuffs na nakuha ko from different brands. Now, dun sa mga baby stuffs na natanggap ko from my prenatal visits. So, kakatanggap ako ng mga diapers. Inilagay ko na lang dito sa plastic. Kasi marami siya. Of diapers. 2 plastic bag of diapers. And also, I received some blankets for baby. Baby clothes blankets. Some more baby wipes. Tweezers. Hindi ko alam ito. Guess I'm gonna just check it out. Fillable food products. So, lagyan ng mga foods. Oh, laundry detergent. I need this. Bib. That's it. So, magsha-shopping ako ng mga gift cards ko. Okay. Doon naman tayo sa mga pinili ko. Mag-unbox tayo ng mga binili ko, mga in-order ko, na baby clothes, baby stuffs. Online, and also in-store. So, hindi ko pa alam yung gift cards. Ngayon ko lang nalaman yung mga binigay sa akin gift cards. So, hindi po mukhang mapaparami pa yung bili ko. So, magsha-shopping ako. This one is diaper changer. Baby towels. Nag-order ako ng 2 gray ones and yellow. Baby pillow. Also, some cute outfits. Cute. Nakita na ko. Meron siyang pang ulo. Washcloths. Mag-wipe ng face niya. Of course, I bought some new baby blankets for my baby. Mattress to, crib mattress. Naghangin na siya. Meron na siyang for baby. Per bag. Tapos, pagka inopen mo siya, yung gusto ngayon yung parang camping. Tapos, parang expand siya hanggang dulo. Tapos, pwede mo ihiga yung baby dun sa loob ng bag. And pwede mo siyang changing diaper. Ito na yung gagamitin kong hospital bag. Meron siyang cushion, cotton, for hygienic purpose. Bought Vaseline also for cream. Ito lang the most trusted cream ko, Vaseline. So bought like hygiene. Parang 16 pieces ata, 24 pieces ata yung binili ko. So meron na siya lahat. Temperature, lahat, pang toothbrush, pang cut ng nails. So that's for the hygiene. I bought some wearable breast pump. So, yeah, ngayon ko lang in-open. Wow, meron pa siyang ganito. I got this online eh. Ito na yung ano ngayon, high-tech eh. Electric to. Detergent, because I'm gonna laundry. Those that I bought from Carter's Mall. We bought this in the mall. Oshkosh Carter. Cute Prices for newborn. Ayan. Kumuha kami ng dalawang set for newborn. One is pink. Ito naman is light. Because it's summer here, so hindi niya pa kailangan ng mga winter. So, mga cute pants. Oh, 3 pants. Oh, I also got this pala. For 3 months na to. Sabi sa amin ng sales lady, bili daw kami ng onting newborn. Ayan. Outfit again for newborn. So, may dalawa na siyang outfit. Three outfits na. First, we have also onesie, sleepers. So, sabi ng sales lady sa amin, kailangan talaga, mas marami kaming sleepers. Kasi ito yung susutin niya every night pag matutulog na siya. This one is a sleeper, but for 3 months. So, yeah. This one also, sleeper. So, 3 pa lang sleepers niya. Yung mga pinakamagandang designs doon. Kasi yung bumibili kami doon, bili na ng bili. Hindi na namin tinitignan yung price nung bumibili kami because, you know, we don't really know actually kung ano may bibilhin eh. So, bili lang kami na bili. So, we have like socks. Socks again. Yan, socks. I also bought yung para sa kamay. Yes. Para hindi niya scratch yung face niya. Tapos, eto, bigay sa akin nung isa kong kasama sa prenatal class. Spanish siya. Hindi siya marunong mag-English. Pero, may translator naman siya. Ginawa niya to. Galing. Tapos, last, pang ulo. Cutie. 2 pairs lang. Alright, that's it. Last but not least, itong binili kong baby monitoring camera. Binili ko yung may 360 camera na siya and then may 2-way audio na siya. Meron din siya motion detector. Makakatanggap ka ng mga notifications pag na-detect siyang motion. And may night vision na rin siya. Ganda siya for baby monitoring. And natry ko na siya malinaw yung camera. So guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video ko. Of course, sa mga pregnant women din dito sa Canada, good luck sa inyo and always trust the Lord with all your heart, with all your might. Yeah. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.